The Legacy of Submission, Part 24. Taf-seir of Surah Al-Baqarah. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sufi Essence. In our last session, we were privileged to explore the profound prayers of Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. Peace be upon them, a spiritual legacy that encapsulates the very essence of divine guidance and mercy. We learn that the spiritual path is one of profound sincerity and unwavering trust in Allah today. Our journey through Surah Al-Baqarah brings us to a continuation of this spiritual narrative, a series of verses that offer a breathtaking glimpse into the station of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, a profound lesson on the nature of submission, and the timeless counsel he gave to his children. These verses are a powerful reminder that the path of Tawad is not a matter of a single generation. It is a legacy that is passed from one heart to the next, a legacy that must be protected and cherished until the very last breath. Our discussion begins with a powerful and a direct challenge to all who claim to follow Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, while turning away from the truth. Wa man yargabuan, milati Ibrahim, il man Sophia nafsahu, wa lakod, kanyu, ifaldunyu, wa inahu, ifal kikirati, lamina, alkaline, Surah Al-Baqarah. 2-130. And who would turn away from the religion of Ibrahim except one who makes a fool of himself? And we had chosen him in this world, and indeed in the hereafter he will be among the righteous. This verse is a profound spiritual indictment of those who, in their spiritual arrogance, reject the path of pure submission. The phrase wa man yargabuan milati Ibrahim, and who would turn away from the religion of Ibrahim, is a rhetorical question that carries a powerful spiritual weight. The word yargabuan, turns away from, implies a choice, a conscious decision to reject a path that is clear and true. The phrase milati Ibrahim, the religion or creed of Ibrahim, is not a simple term. It refers to a comprehensive way of life, a path of pure tawhid, a path that is free from all forms of polytheism and spiritual hypocrisy. The verse then answers the rhetorical question with a profound and sobering truth: Il man Safia nafsahu, except one who makes a fool of himself. The word Safia comes from the root safaha, which means to be foolish, to be ignorant, or to be light-headed. It is a powerful spiritual indictment. The one who turns away from the path of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, is not just a person who is mistaken. They are a person who has fooled their own soul, a person who has, in their spiritual ignorance, chosen a path of spiritual ruin. The second part of the verse offers a beautiful and profound testament to the spiritual station of Ibrahim. Peace be upon him, a station that was not inherited but was earned through his profound sincerity. Wa lakud ika fenyu, efeldunyu. And we had chosen him in this world. The word ikafanyu, we chose him, is a magnificent statement of divine grace and favor. Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was chosen by Allah for his profound sincerity, for his unwavering faith, and for his complete submission. He was not chosen because of his lineage or his wealth. He was chosen because of the purity of his heart. The verse concludes with a promise of an even greater reward. Wa inahu f alkakirati, lamina, alkaline, and indeed. In the hereafter he will be among the righteous. The word alkaline, the righteous, is a profound and multi-layered term. It refers to those who are righteous in their deeds, in their character, and in their hearts. It is the ultimate spiritual station, a station that is a direct result of a sincere life of submission. This verse is a profound lesson on the spiritual path. The one who has a sincere and pure heart will be chosen by Allah in this world and will be among the righteous in the hereafter. The Quran then proceeds to a magnificent and a powerful verse that captures the very essence of Ibrahim's, peace be upon him, submission. Idh quellallahu rabu, aslam quellallah aslam tu, la rabbi ale glamgora, 2-131. When his Lord said to him, submit, he said, I have submitted to the Lord of the worlds. This verse is a cornerstone of Sufi teachings on Taslim submission. It is a beautiful and simple verse that is, in its simplicity, infinitely profound. The verse captures a moment of direct, unmediated communication between Allah and his Prophet. The command from Allah is a simple and a direct one, Aslim, submit. The word aslim is a command in the imperative form, a call to a state of complete and total submission. The response from Ibrahim, peace be upon him, is immediate and unequivocal. Qala aslamtu li rabbil alamin, he said, I have submitted to the Lord of the worlds. The word aslamtu, I have submitted, is a statement of an immediate and a total surrender of the will. The phrase, li rabbil alamin, the Lord of the worlds, is a beautiful and a profound affirmation of the scope of his submission. He did not submit to a god of a single nation or a single people. He submitted to the Lord of all the worlds, to the God of all of creation. This verse is a profound lesson on the spiritual path. The path of Allah is a path of absolute and immediate submission. It is not a path of hesitation or questioning. It is a submission of the heart, the mind, and the will. It is a recognition that the Creator knows what is best for the creation, and that the only path to true peace and tranquility is to submit to His will. This is the essence of Islam, of a life lived in complete and total submission to the will of Allah. This verse is a powerful reminder that the spiritual journey is not about finding a path that is comfortable or easy. It is about finding a path that is true, a path that is based on a profound and unwavering submission to the will of Allah. The Quran then proceeds to a magnificent and a timeless lesson on the spiritual legacy of a believer. Wa wakbi, Ibrahimu bani, wa ya kubu wib bankya, ina olha, I. Kataf lakumo aldina fel tam tuna ilwa anta musliman, Surah Al-Baqarah, 132. And mention when Ibrahim instructed his sons, and so did Jacob, O my sons, indeed Allah has chosen for you the religion, so do not die except in a state of submission. This verse is a beautiful and a profound statement on the continuity of the prophetic message. The phrase wawak bi Ibrahimu bani, and Ibrahim instructed his sons with it, is a beautiful and a poignant statement. The word wak, he instructed, implies a counsel, a bequest, a final command that is given with profound love and sincerity. The word bi, with it, refers to the millah of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, the path of pure submission. The verse then tells us that this counsel was not just from Ibrahim, peace be upon him. It was also from his grandson, Prophet Jacob, peace be upon him, wa Yakubu and Jacob. This is a powerful testament to the continuity of the prophetic message. Both Ibrahim and Jacob, peace be upon them, passed on the same message to their children. The core of the counsel is a powerful and a beautiful one. Wib bankya, ina alha, ikafu, lakumu aldina. O my sons, indeed Allah has chosen for you the religion. The phrase ikafu, lakumu aldina, He has chosen for you the religion, is a profound and a comforting truth. Audi, it is a path that He has chosen for us. The final and the most powerful part of the counsel is a command that is given with profound love and sincerity. Fal tamtina ilwa anta muslimin. So do not die except in a state of submission. This is a profound and a timeless spiritual lesson. The ultimate goal of life is not worldly success or worldly fame. It is to die in a state of submission. It is a reminder that the spiritual journey is not just about living a righteous life, it is about ending it in a state of righteousness. This is the ultimate spiritual legacy, a legacy that is more precious than all the treasures of the world. My dear viewers, these verses offer a deep and a timeless lesson on the nature of sincere faith. They teach us that the one who turns away from the path of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, is a person who has fooled their own soul. They remind us that the path of Allah is a path of absolute and immediate submission. And they offer us a beautiful and a profound lesson on the spiritual legacy of a believer, a legacy of tawhid, a legacy of submission, a legacy that is passed from one heart to the next. May our hearts be among those who are in a state of complete and total submission to the will of Allah, and may our lives be a testament to a firm and unwavering faith. Join me in our next session as we continue our journey into the succeeding verses of this magnificent surah. Until then, may Allah bless you with ilim and yaqeen. Assalamu alaikum.